We are discussing here tuberculosis, mycobacterium, tuberculosis, lungs, droplet infection, thick mucopurulent muscle discharge. This disease is caused by mycobacterium tuberculosis. Lungs or major organs are affected. In this disease, tired feeling, low fever, cough with sputum and the loss of appetite and weight and the symptoms of this diseases. So PCG vaccine protected from the childhood infection of this diseases. Next we learn about this viral diseases. Already I told that viral test means taking this blood samples or serum from this in your body. So what are these antigens are present in that blood? Viral diseases. Viruses are smaller intracellular obligate parasites which multiply living cells. Outside the living cells, they cannot carry out the characteristics of these living organisms. Virus invade the living cells, forcing the cells to create new viruses. The new viruses break out the cell, killing it and invaded the other cells of the body, causing the diseases in human beings. Rhinoviruses cause out one of the most infections human element called a common cold. So do you know that common cold? So viruses or characters. What is the virus? It is a microscopic one. Viruses you are seeing this at normal eye. You see we are not seeing in this normal eye. So it is a smallest one. It is a microscopic one. It's a multiply in this set. So in the living cells it can be multiply in this faster. So in this outside the living cells. So it is invading this living cells. So new viruses are produced in this living cells. So the new viruses are break out on the out of the cells. It is killing the invaded cells of this, causing that diseases in the human beings. So first example for this rhinoviruses. So rhinoviruses is the most common virus. Because of that, most of the persons are infected by this cold. It is a common cold. It is scarly one, so it is scarly in the 7 days. The pathogens incubation period is 7 days. So virus diseases are generally grouped in 4 types on the basis of the symptoms produced in your body organs. So what are they? You have to see one by one. Pneumotic diseases. Pneumotic diseases means it is a respiratory tract infected by the influenza. Infected by this influenza. So dermotrophic diseases. Skin and subcutaneous diseases evited by chickenpox and measles. So next, mistotrophic diseases. Blood and visceral organs affected by yellow fever and dengue fever. Neurotrophic diseases. Central nervous system affected by rabies and polio. Some common viral diseases. You have to see in that double column. First one, common cold. So already I told that it is caused by this rhinoviruses. It is mostly affected by this respiratory tract through to the droplet infections. What are the symptoms are happen? Nasal congestion, discharge, sore throat, cough and headaches and fever. Sometimes fever takes place. So next one it is a mumps. So the mumps virus, RNA, Baromesovirus, salivary glands, saliva and droplet infections, enlargement of this parathyroid glands. So it is on that acute in this virus diseases of the salivary glands. Do you know that the salivary glands? Saliva and this நம்ம பேசுற அந்த எச்சி இது மூலமாலாம் என்ன செய்யும் அப்படினா இது பரவும். It is through to this in this saliva. So droplet of this are saliva. So it is a salivary glands. The characteristics by that of this droplet infection. So droplet infection takes place in this salivary glands. So in the mumps virus. So enlargement of this parathyroid glands, that is parathyroid glands. So next one is the measles. Next one it is that measles. So it is a dermotrophic diseases. It is a measles is a dermotrophic diseases. So why it is called this dermotrophic diseases? It is affected by this the skin. It is affected by skin and the tissues. That is called as dermotrophic diseases. So it is caused by this rubella virus through to the spread by the skin, spread by the droplet infections. Spread by droplet infections. So what are the symptoms are happening here in that measles? Sore throat, running nose, cough and fever, reddish rashes on the skin, neck and ears. That is some mumps. Measles. So next one it is a viral hepatitis. That is that hepatitis B virus. Viral hepatitis. So the viral hepatitis, this disease is caused by this virus. This disease caused by virus is called hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis B virus. So hepatitis literally means the inflammation of the liver. Inflammation of the liver. So there is hepatitis A, hepatitis B and hepatitis C. So that is a hepatitis B one is spreads by blood. Spread by blood. The blood transfusion takes place at the time. It is many changes takes place in this blood. It moved to this another person of this. That is jaundice. Liver damage, jaundice, nausea, yellowish eyes, fever and pain in abdomen. Pain in abdomen. So next one it is poliomyelitis. Next one it is a poliomyelitis, poliovirus, RNA virus, intestine, brain and spinal cord, droplet infection through the fecal oral route, fever, muscular stiffness, weakness, paralysis and respiratory failure. So it is also thus. It is that neurotrophic diseases. Neuro means it's a nerve problem. Takes place in that the nerve problems. Nerve problems means so sound not activated. Nerves is not normally activated. So that is the polio virus. Detected by this polio virus. So you see this polio attack children or child. How to see that? You are not normally walking. You are not normally walking or this one place to another place. So the call எல்லாம் zoom பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay? So that is that neurotrophic diseases. Neurotrophic diseases. So that is it is acquired infection caused by this which virus? Polio virus. Which caused by polio virus? It is that childhood diseases. So you have to vaccination takes place in that child. You have to prevent it for that. The route of the transmission is droplet infection through the fecal oral route. So paralysis and respiratory is failure. So next one it is a dengue fever. Next one it is that dengue fever. So dengue fever is also that viscerotrophic diseases. So dengue fever or dengue virus or flavivirus. So the affected side is skin and blood. Mosquito vector it is Aedes aegypti. So severe flu-like illness with a sudden onset of fever and painful headache, muscle and joint pain. Joint pain it is most common in that old persons. The dengue fever attacked it is a very sick in that the older people. So that is a breakbone fever. So it is called the breakbone fever. போன் உடஞ்சா எப்படி இருக்கும் அதே மாதிரி இருக்கும். பிரேக் போன் ஃபீவர். It is caused by the dengue virus. That is the appearance of this skin and blood. So the antibodies are infected in that the skin and the blood. So next one is the chikungunya. Chikungunya alphavirus. Chikungunya alphavirus. This alphavirus nervous system. It is affected nervous system. Mosquito vector Aedes aegypti. The same mosquito it is spread by this chikungunya fever and joint headache and joint swelling. So the joint swelling it is a முட்டை வீங்கிரும். That is a chikungunya. It is spread by this alphavirus. It is mostly affected in this nervous system. So next protozoan diseases. Next protozoan diseases. Do you know that swine flu was first recognized in this 1919 pandemic and still circulates as a seasonal flu virus? Swine flu is caused by H1N1 virus strain. Symptoms include fever, cough, sore throat, chills, weakness and body aches. Children, pregnant women and the elderly are the risk from severe infection. So next one is the protozoan diseases. About 15 genera of the protozoans live in the parasites within the human body and cause the diseases. Amphibiasis is also called the amphibix dysentery or amphictytus. Is caused by Endemica clastica, which lives in the human large intestine and feeds on food particles and bacteria. Infective stage of this parasite it is a thrombocyte. So which penetrates the walls of the host intestine and segregates the histolytic enzymes causing the ulceration. So ulceration, bleeding, abdominal pain and stools with excess of mucus. Symptoms of aminobiasis can range from diarrhea to dysentery with blood and mucus in the stool. Housefly acts as a carrier of transmitting the parasite for contaminated feces and water. African sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma species. Trypanosoma is generally transmitted by the blood-sucking tsetse fly. 3 species of Trypanosoma causing the sleeping sickness in man. T. campescens is transmitted by Chlorozina palpaeus and causes a Gambian or Central African sleeping sickness. Trypanosoma rhododensis is transmitted by Clostridium marcescens causing thus rhododensis or East African sleeping sickness. Trypanosoma cruzi is transmitted by bug called this Rhizoma mectata and causes a Chagas diseases or American trypanosomonas. Protozoan diseases. So you know that the protozoans. So about this 15 genera here in this set parasites. So in the human bodies having this 15 genera in the protozoans. So in the intestine. So intestine having this one protozoan here in the that protozoans there is no problem here in the intestine, but the infantile stage of this parasite, that is called trypocyte. The trypocyte penetrates to the wall of this intestine. That wall of this intestine is some enzymes are causing. The enzymes are causing that ulceration. So and this bleeding, the abdominal pain and stools with the mucus in the side. So the symptoms of what are the symptoms? Diarrhea and dysentery. So caused by that houseflies. So carrier transmitting to the contaminated fagus and water. Contaminated fagus and water. That is the Entamoeba clastica. So totally generally 15 genera here in the